Well, today I had kind of good luck. I picked up 2 of these for 30 bucks. So the guy had one listed for 20, and then I meet him and he's got, hey, I've got another one. I'll give you both for 30. So I said, sure. So no pumps, no hoses. He said he bought them at auctions and he's cleaning his shed. So time to clean them up, maintenance, put pumps on and sell them. All right, so I power washed them, started to look a bit. They both run, actually. I took the air filters and spark plugs out, everything. They're pretty bad. They're filthy, cleaned up pretty nice. The one, it's this one. The governor is not hooked up, so gotta do that. Oil change. I'm just gonna take everything apart and then put them back together. So one of them, the muffler is broken. I noticed it kind of rattled. Not that one. It was this one. So at least a muffler, spark plugs, air filter, oil change. I've got a pump. I'm gonna build one up right now and then I'll build a second one. So I only have enough parts right now to build up one. So, and all these carts are dented on both sides. So I am gonna take everything off, straighten the carts out, and then, you know, oil change, pump, everything. But these are pretty much the identical units as far as I can tell. And somebody was messing around with these. Like I noticed some of the motor mounts are already loose. So that's another reason why I was like, you know what? Take everything apart and go from there. One little trick I've learned when doing these is using a 12-point socket. Oopsie. 12-point socket, because you can, it's easier to turn when you don't have room. So you might not have to take wheels and everything else off. All right. And these, oh yeah, these were in the shed and they smelled terrible. So I think there was a mouse nest. I want to take the shrouds off just to inspect to make sure there's nothing that's gonna come back and that they're in good shape. All right. And of course, here it is. Bolt disappeared. That one's okay for now. And the nice thing on these is they have the isolators. I'm probably gonna take those off and use them for another project. And these are actually in pretty good shape. They're not too rusty. A lot of times stuff is just super, super rusty. It's been sitting out. And right now I'm gonna build the better one up. So I'm gonna use the best parts on everything. Build that. And then, this one's a little rusty. Can't wait till I get some more parts. Build another one. This might have been the one with the mouse nest or rat's nest, because it smells. Oh, that's by me. Typical used stuff. It's missing all the, you know, all the bolts in here, nails and pins put in. All right, let me clean up and I'll be back. All right, so I was working on this little, bolted it on. I took the rubber bumpers off. I'm keeping these for another project. The shock absorbers. It just varies whether these have them or not. I did try the motor. I did an oil change, spark plug. Carb was a bit dirty, so I just dropped it. I cleaned the shaft off, and I'm just putting grease on here, so that way it is easy to take the pump on and off. Make sure you line the keyway up. All right, perfect. And then this pump goes like that. All right, let me start these. Turn the camera back. All right, just finished. So tightened all those up. This pump is an AR R&B 2.5 G30. So 2.5 gallons per minute, 3,000 PSI. So it actually came off a GC190. Just put it back. I need the hose. And so the reason I have this is for this coupler here, quick connect. But this unit's all done. It's okay, nothing special. Probably asked like 175, 200 bucks. The one's brand new, or sorry, this is brand new. This is a used one. And oil change, spark plug, cleaned it up. All right, hope you enjoyed.